That is propaganda of the highest order to instill fear in our negotiators when it comes to renewing terms and conditions of service. And 50 companies or several companies to move out of Kenya, you will know. Because those people who are serviced by those companies will make complaint, the consumers, even if it is not us. And the Federation of Kenya employers must stop propaganda. They know very well that under the International Labour Organization, that it operates through tripartite arrangement. Government, employers themselves and workers. And whenever we are going to Geneva, the person or the organ that heads the delegation is the government through the Minister of Labour. So there is no way an employer or a worker can divorce himself from the government. Unless if you are a political party. Court is not a political party. Court represents workers. And there is no way in any manner that we can go to unconstructive, non-constructive politics like what is going on several formations. How many formations have we seen? So many formations started when Section 2A was removed in our constitution. The most powerful one of Jaramogi Oginga Odinga, the father of Raila, Masinde Muliro, Matiba, and so many others who are there, Paul Muite. There was the highest, Charles Rubia the late. This was the strongest formation. Did it remove Moi from power? No. I was in Azimio. We had the largest formation than what they want to form now. Kalonzo Musyoka was there. All these tendencies, Wamalwa. Wamalwa is me who removed him from RUTO. And I gave him to Uhuru Kenyatta. And Uhuru Kenyatta made him a minister. Change, son. So I'm telling you, all these types of formations you are seeing, these are self-decorating formations. Some for collecting money from sympathizers and what have you. Not these people, they are just joking. We have had organizers like the late Mulu Mutisia. Kalonzo Musyoka is a product of Mulu Mutisia right away from the university. He didn't make himself, he did not make himself a politician. He was nominated in Kanu's position. And he was always pro-government. Up to today, whenever Kalonzo is, he considers himself as a person who is inside government. Because that is how he was brought up. Who else? Can you tell him Matiangi can be a president of the Republic of Kenya? I have worked with Matiangi. Matiangi is a tax collector. More than William Samoei Ruto, I know him. When we were in Azimio, Matiangi did not even campaign for Raila. He did not stand up. He did not appear anywhere supporting Raila. They were busy in the office of the president making money. I know them, I was there. Rigathi, another day, he was saying me and Murade. There is those clips are there. Who is Atwoli?